Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on SOFI on May 15th, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at regular hours at $14.03 and at pre-market hours at $13.83. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we formed the B wave of the retracement. It was an A, B, and we were anticipating to see the movement to the downside to complete the C wave. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of SOFI. We were somewhere at $14 mark, and since I made my previous video, this asset went lower and it hit right now at pre-market hours about $12.87 mark. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And for now, guys, I have three tiers. It is Discord Access tier, Safe Haven, and Gold tier. And if you want to just be in line with all the latest news and with the most recent actions and potential upcoming actions of the US stock market, it is more than enough to join just Discord Access. If you want me to cover your personal position and if you want me to create a plan for you to invest in stock market, Safe Haven is for you. The only difference in between these two tiers is that on Safe Haven tier you will have a monthly 30-minute Zoom call session with me. And the Gold tier is for people who want to take the most from my experience and from my knowledge. And in this tier you will have a 30 minutes weekly Zoom call with me where I will teach you how to beat the market. On top of that, guys, for the members of this tier, I will give my personal signals where to enter and where to leave the position. I will do it when market conditions are more predictable for swing positions. So, and let me give you a sneak peek on the Discord group. You can see that I publish a lot of updates on the market, and as you can see, I even make predictions of its upcoming movements. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I have a very high level of experience in this type of trades. And guys, in this Discord group, I explain a lot to my patrons, and I do a lot of technical analysis on demand on different assets. Here is the general sentiment of the market on April the 10th. Here is INTC, ISRG. Here is JD, RKLB, MSTR, and other ticker symbols. You can see that I do it pretty much 2 or 3 times a week. And all of my community members know how to benefit out of these market conditions.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and where we are on a price chart on a bigger scale. If I zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, we are, and SOFI is in quite a bullish position. It is about to form its retracement, to retrace its movement from the very beginning of April till this swing high, and it is a very healthy movement. I will show you all the crucial levels, and I will show you 2 options, and by the way, both of them are bullish, and I will show you what price targets we might have in the next let's say 6 months period. So, and let's first of all take a look at some fundamentals. I want to pay attention to the general sentiment of the market. If you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to new stuff folder, you will see several recent news. I want to pay attention to this one. It was published on May 18th and it's titled "Is SOFI Technology Stock a Millionaire Maker?" And guys, to be honest, this article is quite bullish. You have to read all the details, all fundamental news about the company and make your own conclusion, because the longer your investment period is, the more facts from the fundamental standpoint you should rely on. Otherwise, the shorter your time period is in trading or in investing in certain stock, in this case, you should rely more on technical analysis. So, and let me quote you these key points. SOFI has found a tremendous product market fit as demonstrated by its growth, thanks to its tech-forward focus on better serving customers. Management is optimistic that earnings will soar in the years ahead. And the last one, if SOFI can continue executing like it has, there is a sizable potential for shareholders over the long term. And guys, one of the reasons why SOFI will be a much more valuable company is the behavior of Anthony Noto. And in a minute I will show you what I'm talking about. But for now, let's take a look at this one, at this news that was published by Travis. 7 hours ago he wrote, SOFI ranked number 41 in the 2025 Axios Harris Poll 100, which gauges the reputation of the most visible brands in America. SOFI brand awareness is increasing each year. The methodology of the selected companies is also very interesting. I have to admit that I don't want to dig deeper inside the methodology, but I want to tell you that the more recognizable the SOFI brand is, the lower might be the customer acquisition cost. And in this case, guys, SOFI might drastically reduce its expenses. And in this case, guys, the overall balance sheet will be much more valuable. On top of that, I want to pay attention to this update. Bank of America added to its position substantially. And guys, they added about 92.64% during the first quarter that ended on March 31st, 2025. And for now, the current value of their position is more than $147.3 million. And I have to admit that we have more and more institutional investors who want to hold SOFI in their investment portfolios. You can see it right here on this chart. And here you can see that SOFI has a slight decline in the number of institutional investors who hold their stock in investment portfolios, but in general it is the third highest level ever in this parameter. And this is quite good sign. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. You can see in the insider trading list that Anthony Noto himself bought substantial amount of SOFI stock back in the days. Wait a second. In May of 2024, he purchased SOFI stock for $200,000. Previously, on May of the same year, he purchased another $200,000 in value and another $200,000. And previously, when SOFI was at extremely low levels, wait a second, let me show you right here. He also purchased in November of 2023 almost $300,000 in value in SOFI stock. And guys, he didn't sell any stock at all. He just collected more and more stock of SOFI. And the reason why he buys it is crystal clear. He believes in his company and he thinks that this company will worth much more than its current price. But at the same time, guys, let's take a look at consensus analyst price target. It is still the same at around $14.05, but we have one rating, the most recent one that was made just a week ago. And KBW and Team Switzer set the price target at $9 mark with the sell forecast, with the downside potential of about 30%. That is why, guys, as you can see, SOFI stock is quite volatile, but in the long-term perspective, I have no doubts that SOFI will hit much higher targets. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to admit that I caught the majority of movement of SOFI stock, and if I turn on all the drawing tools, you can see that I made a lot of analysis on this stock. And this bottom that was established by SOFI at the very beginning of April of this year potentially is the lowest point for the entire retracement, and it is swing low from which this asset will go higher, and potentially that it will break its previous swing high. And what is the price target for the upcoming weeks and months? Guys, let's turn on all the tools, and we've completed 5 waves from the bottom of the very beginning of April till this top. Then we have A, B and C retracement. It is not a motive wave, it is just diagonal movements, and because of this quite high point of B level, we might anticipate that the price of SOFI should retest first of all $12 mark. It should be quite similar of the length of the A wave, and $12 might be very important level of support for SOFI. This means, guys, when this asset hit and if it hit $12 mark, we have to take a closer look on its price action, and depending on the reaction out of this range, we can anticipate its next movement. Definitely I will do another update within next several days, and probably SOFI will hit it I would say at the very beginning of next week, and then I will do my forecast for the short-term price targets. But in the medium-term price target, in the medium-term perspective, we have to rely on following levels. So if I pull the FIBA extension tool from this bottom that was established somewhere in July of 2024 to this top, and to the bottom of the retracement at $8.6 mark, guys, we have certain crucial levels. One of them is 0.786. It is the confluence with our top, with the top of the B wave, and next level, with the anticipation that this asset will form its third wave, is $28.65. And guys, as long as this pivot holds, as long as this lowest point that was established at the very beginning of April holds, we have all the chances to hit $28.65. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.